Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ngwanyana wa ka man Vuyokazi, my girl. Well, Lily, congratulations to Vuyokazi, guys. She has newly opened two businesses. You guys can go to her Instagram account because we are not allowed to promote. So I'm not promoting her two businesses, but I'm just here to say congratulations, Ngwanyana wa ka. This girl. You know what, ne? I first saw her opening her YouTube channel and the engagement, she literally got monetized from her first video. That's how much of a fan base Vuyokazi has. She's busy making boss moves after boss moves. Now she's launched her own business. Yo, I couldn't be more proud. Oh my god. I just could go once man, the best spirit, man. That boy was not good for her. After they broke up, her life started to flourish. She's getting gigs. She opened a YouTube channel. She got monetized from her first videos. You guys can go on her YouTube channel and see the numbers. She is making numbers on top of numbers by just her YouTube channel. Forget her Instagram, her YouTube channel alone. While she is making boss moves after boss moves for her children, mama basaloko mzombe babekezela waiting for marriage. But as for now, we are going to congratulate her and be there for Vuyokazi. And congratulations to her. She deserves everything that she's getting. She deserves happiness, she deserves success, she deserves the world, she deserves earth, she deserves the moon, she deserves the sun. And again, we would like to say congratulations to her.